Hey friends, welcome back to Sharpdev, your favorite place where we take boring old WinForms and turn them into something modern, shiny, and just a little magical. Today, oh yes, we're going futuristic. We're adding a blurry glass effect to a normal C# WinForms app. Think Windows 11 vibes. Think acrylic glass. Think your app suddenly leveling up its style game. We're going full pro mode with the Set Window Composition Attribute API. This one unlocks the same magic that Windows uses for its modern blur. I will do the work for you and explain it after it's done. We'll set the source in my GitHub repo, for an easy try. Alright, let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense. What we're looking at here is some Windows magic, basically a trick to give our WinForms app that modern blur effect, like the fancy glass you see in Windows 10 and 11. So, step 1, we've got two structs, accent policy and window composition attribute data. Think of them as containers. They're just holding the special settings that Windows needs to apply the blur. Nothing exciting yet, but absolutely necessary. Next, we pull in set window composition attribute from the user32.dll. This is where we step outside of C# and knock on Windows' door, saying, hey, apply this cool visual effect to my form. Now in the constructor, we set the background to black, because blur looks way better on dark surfaces, and we hook into the load event, so the blur kicks in right when the form appears. The real magic happens in enable blur. We create an accent policy, and the key line here is accent. AccentState equals 3. That number basically tells Windows, enable the blur behind this window. We then grab the size of the struct, allocate some memory for it, and stuff our settings into that memory. After that, we wrap it all up inside the window composition attribute data and finally call set window composition attribute with the forms handle. And boom, the window goes from boring old WinForms to sleek futuristic blur. Think of it like this, WinForms just put on a pair of futuristic sunglasses. Still the same app underneath, but now it's rocking that stylish, modern vibe. And don't forget the last line, Marshall. Free global. That's us cleaning up after ourselves so we don't leak memory all over the place. So, in short, this code is a clever little bridge between WinForms and the Windows desktop engine, giving your app a modern glass effect with just a few lines. Classic Sharpdev style, small tweak, huge effect. So, what do you think? Are you gonna add blur to your own apps? Let me know in the comments what you'd build with this effect. Maybe a modern settings panel? Or even a music player UI? If you enjoyed this futuristic glow up for WinForms, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, stick around, because I've got even more cool C# hacks coming your way. This is Sharpdev, making WinForms magical again. See you in the next one.